Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Donatello in Raid Shadow Legends. If you're looking to get Donatello in Raid Shadow Legends, here's what you need to know. Donatello is one of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles featured in a limited time event alongside Michelangelo, Leonardo, and Raphael. Right now, this event has already ended, so Donatello isn't obtainable at the moment. When the event is active, you can get him as a legendary champion through summoning portals that include Ancient, Void, Primal, or Sacred Shards. Using higher rarity shard gives you a better chance of pulling legendary champions, including Donatello, unlike Raphael, who could be collected through fragment summon. Donatello can only appear via standard legendary shard summons, so if you miss the event this time, you'll have to wait until it comes back to try your luck at summoning this legendary turtle. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.